how are you today? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use a breast pump step by step, simple, quick, and stress-free. So, here it is, this is the breast pump, and these are its main parts. Let's start by putting everything together. Make sure all parts are clean and dry before assembly. Now, I'll gently place the breast shield so it sits comfortably and forms a nice seal. Comfort is key here. If it feels too tight or awkward, adjust until it feels right. Next, I begin pumping. Start with light suction to help stimulate milk flow. Then, slowly increase the intensity until it feels comfortable and natural for you. After a few minutes, you'll notice the milk beginning to collect in the bottle, and honestly, it's so satisfying to see it working. Remember, this process is all about patience and comfort. The more relaxed and calm you are, the better your milk flow will be. And that's it, a simple, gentle routine that makes pumping easier every time you do it. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with another mama who might find it helpful.